National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County, East Central Anderson County, Western Jefferson County, Southwestern Granger County, South Central Union County, Northwestern Sevier County, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Knoxville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Sevierville, Jefferson City, Dandridge, Plainview, New Market, Strawberry Plains, Halls, Blaine, and Kimberlin Heights. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 378 and 417. Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 108 and 119. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.